All right, welcome back to the channel. If you're just joining me for the first time, welcome. Today I've got my Smith Wesson 916A shotgun out in 12 gauge. I'm going to take it, we're going to do a little bit of range time here, and at the end of the video I'll talk about it for a minute. So with that, let's get right into it. All right, out here at the range today, it's a pretty nice day. Very little wind. That's not going to matter for what we're shooting today, but I've got some water jugs set up down range. 25 yards is that first white marker there. Through it, I'm going to put a few 2 3/4 inch general purpose load shells. I had some double aught buck at home that I considered using, but I think I'm going to pass on that for now. It's pretty punishing on the shoulder and on the gun itself. So these are multi-purpose shells, not particularly for hunting or bird shot or whatnot, but we're going to put them through the gun, and I'll show you how to cycle it and how many we've got in the tube. What's the one in the chamber?
Target, go for the center.
I'm going to give the gun a final wipe down here after I took it from the range, just to give you a close-up of some of the details. The wood has a few nicks and scrapes over the years. It's developed somewhere, maybe from me, maybe from the previous owner. The stainless is remarkably shiny. To note, the rear sight fixture is missing, and it does have a front sight post, just like you'd try to aim this thing. I couldn't imagine trying to shoot slugs through it. Maybe for non-lethal rounds or something like that. In a future video, I couldn't find my screwdriver. You have to have an 8-inch screwdriver to get in here to get this nut out to remove the stock, to break it down. But once I locate that again, I will do a follow-up video on how to disassemble the weapon. Basically, you take the 2 screws of the butt plate, the screwdriver goes up, you take the stock off, you punch this pin out, and then take the screw out. The trigger assembly comes out, and it goes from there. So I will post a future video on how to do that.